Hey guys, welcome to Elite Purse. Today, in this episode of Talk with Dynamics, we have with us Ms. Akanksha Jha, and definitely I have chalked out 5 questions of importance for this COVID and post-COVID situation, and we will get to know what her insights are on these matters. So let's start. So, hi Akanksha, we would like to know more about you.
Hello everyone. Thank you Vishwatma for having me on your show Elite Buzz. My name is Akanksha Jha. I am a student of Amity University, Kolkata, and I was pre-placed at PricewaterhouseCoopers SDC, Kolkata, and from last 6 to 7 months I have been working at PwC SDC as a graphic designer.
Thanks a lot, Akanksha. So, coming directly to the questions. So, before the pandemic, did you ever feel that women are not being given equal opportunities in this corporate world?
Before the pandemic, I don't feel that women were not given equal opportunity in corporate world. Yeah, obviously there are certain circumstances where female have to take break in their career because of the family, and after that to come back and join the corporate, it is a bit difficult because breaks are not so considerable in corporate. So I think now after the pandemic that kind of problem won't be there because there is a choice for work from home. And before the pandemic also, because of the digital space, you can find so many freelancer working from home, working at their time, and getting all kind of benefits which the actual 9 to 5 job don't get. So I think equal opportunities are there for both the gender, and it's only the mindset you need to have to get them.
Okay, fine. So I want a viewpoint on a matter actually. Some companies keep specific positions or vacancies open for females only. So do you think that it is right? And you just give me your viewpoint. I am neutral in this. So what's your viewpoint on this?
I'm not in favor of reservation of seats for female, Vishwatma, because I feel that that would create a mindset that someone got the job just because of her gender, and that is not good for the company as well as for the staffs. That would create differences. So I think that reservation of seat is not a good idea, but I at the same time I feel that some laws should be made by the companies, harassment laws or maternity rules, etc., so that the number of female staff are more in an organization. These are the two main criteria because females have to leave the job.
Okay, quite interesting viewpoint. And that law and maternity leave things, obviously few companies had already started to take measures regarding that to facilitate all those things. So coming to the next question, do you feel post pandemic we will see a rise or decline in the field of job opportunities for females especially? What do you feel?
I feel that post COVID there would be more job opportunities for females because there would be a choice work from home. Before COVID, no one imagined that work from home would ever be possible. But now we are in a time where work from home is the best solution, and I think that companies would benefit a lot, and the job seekers are going to benefit a lot from these facilities, and definitely job opportunities are going to increase post COVID.
Okay, I would definitely agree on that point regarding the work from home thing, but I still feel that there are many manufacturing and industry based companies who have not yet adapted that work from home culture. But let's see, time is there. And my final question to you will be, do you feel there is any specific domain that a female could easily excel in? What's your answer to this?
According to me, there is no such particular domain that female can easily excel in. There is no such word easy or hard. If you are good at something, you are good, and you are definitely going to excel in that. So just be good at whatever you are doing. So according to me, being good at something is more important rather than finding the domain that you can easily excel in.
With that answer of yours, it's crystal clear now that women are capable of multitude of things and we cannot specify their domain and cannot limit them to a particular domain. They can try out various fields and can excel in various fields. And thanks Akanksha for your insights. It would definitely prove to be motivation for many out there. So that's all for today's episode, and we'll be back with another episode with another dynamic personality so that we can explore another field of this corporate world. So till then, stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. Elite Buzz.